If you want to harm your enemy, send him the most beautiful woman in the harem. Laugh and everyone will laugh with you. Cry and you will cry alone. There is no such thing as bad choice. The worst choice is to make no choice at all. Tell nothing to a friend that you would hide from an enemy. Even the eagle wants to wink at a beautiful woman. If rich man eats a snake, everyone says he is wise. But if a poor man does it, everyone would say he is stupid. It is better to believe that a mountain has been moved than to believe that an evil man has changed his character. Love is a duel that a woman can win if she wants to. Between spouses, quarrels begin with madness and end with regrets. In a marriage as in life, four things cannot be returned: a word spoken, an arrow shot, time passed, and an opportunity lost. Sometimes we become critical of other people's weakness but forget our own. Carnal pleasure for women brings anything but peace. The wife must be like the stars. When you ask her for advice, she have to guide you on the right path. Revealing someone's secret is betrayal. Telling someone your secret is stupidity. Man is guilty for all the good he has not done. Woman's strength lies in men's weakness. To succeed in the world, it is not enough to be stupid. You also have to be polite. People talk hundreds of stupid things just for the petty desire to say something. Men make wars to secure their future. They forget that their future lies between the legs of the woman. I don't know where I am going, but at least I know I am on my own way. Faith is believing in everything that reality cannot explain. A hungry belly has no ears. Thank you for watching.